So wait, Monica went back after everybody has begged her to go and forgive her family. She went to forgive. And her mom, was she thinking that Monica was going to come back to say, Mommy, I want to get married and please come, let's get to the homeowner. Was that what she was thinking? Because when she said, My Ada, I know you were going to make me proud. I know you will make it. Mommy Monica started saying, Go and bring me something, let me write list. Please, Mama Monica, what type of list was she thinking she was going to write? That means Mommy Monica thinks Monica will still be in that position where she will come and start marching on her again. How possible is that? It means she has forgiven but not wise. So you can forgive and be wise. Just make sure that after forgiving, you're no longer in that position where the same people that you have to forgive, have to march on you again. Then you are going to just suffer and suffer and suffer. That does not mean you're forgiving the person. Forgiveness, you just let it go. But make sure you're no longer in that space and position where you get hurt. Monica lets go. But I don't think Monica is still in that position where her mom will come and say things are no longer okay at home, and Monica will leave her husband's house and start running back to the house to help the family. I'm not sure is like that. So this is the second movie I'm watching. The first movie I watched, this girl went and collected what belongs to the other. Don't want it. It's an AI movie. Collected what belongs to another, was even in charge of the thing. After being in charge, this girl found out after 6 months that this is what this girl did. She forgave her. But do you know what? She had begged, she has forgiven, no, but she never went back to say, Come and start living in my house. I don't want you to suffer. Because if you do that, she will still come back and devise new. I want to ask a question. Can the devil change? Have you ever heard that? So she will come back to her and start devising how she will slaughter her. That's what she's going to do. And start devising how she's going to wound her. And start devising another pain this girl is going to go through. So what happened was, this girl had forgiven her, but that space where her friend will come and hurt her is no longer there. Monica had forgiven her, but for the family to get easy access, look at them in Monica's traditional marriage. They were in the traditional marriage and they were just like strangers. I didn't see anywhere they said, Mommy Monica, she come and dance. Dance with it. Where she want dance? If Adi Beach, they give her space, she wanted to write nonsense lists. Maybe she will even write things to make the man run away. That's why that I know that this one is not going anywhere. But I like the fact they didn't give her space.